traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I am going to let you know what we did today. Today in the room we had lots of trades, some smallish ones, some decent ones, anywhere from 20 to 50, 60 ticks or more. And I'm going to run through everything here really quick. We had a lot of entries here. We had a RS trade here on the NASDAQ. It was right at the open. We knew we'd have the volatility 30-50 on the 936 candle. Now this thing, kind of wicked around here for a bit. So it did go down initially 20 ticks. It actually went down from 36.50. We got it when it was up here and it came all the way back. So we shorted at 30. On that candle, mid-candle, and it ended up closing all the way down to 22.75. So, and then, it came back up again, and then so really quickly in a decent amount of time, we got, over 25 ticks, almost, actually it went down, it closed here, and then went down and then came back up. So it actually went from 30 down to, well over 40 plus ticks there. It was a nice trade, but again, it did go further, but, just hard to stay in it after that. And again, after 40 ticks, a lot of people were out anyway. Then we had a beautiful S play here. We looked for it to go up. There was signal up, but I wanted to get in at the lower price. We had an entry up here as well, but we got in at the lower price on the 1024 candle. 27 was the call. And you'll see that thing went up 50 plus ticks right just on this move here before it even, then it went sideways. We had a little ZL look and then it kept going. Tried again an understanding trade at 50. That one didn't make a whole lot. That one made, again, another 8 to 10 ticks. It went 12, 13, but 8 to 10 ticks. Or a break even if you try to move your stop up. Same thing with here, 8 to 10 ticks or a break even. It went up. We got in there, went up, move your stop up. So again, if you took smaller profits, great. If you didn't, maybe it was a break even. On the ES, there was another opportunity where we shorted. That was a power play on the 933 candle. 89. That was a beautiful trade. That went all the way down to 86, so up to 3 points on that trade. Straight down. I mean, boom, boom, straight down. Got a reversal signal, tried to go higher, couldn't break the upper resistance, went back down again. Finally, when it came back up again, we had an understanding trade here. Now, if you look at this trade in the time, this was roughly around the same time we got into the NASDAQ. Our rule in the room is that you can't take two trades at the same time, but if we get into one trade and we're in a free trade, meaning there's no more risk left in the trade, and then you can take the other one and have both going. So this one was clearly in a free trade here. Then on the following candle, this went up, and we got into the ES, and that was a nice trade there, and that made 91. That one made 2.5 points initially. Then again, it went sideways. Okay, and then it went up further, so maybe a couple points there. Plus 1, plus 2 if you went to entry. You didn't have a runner. It would be hard to stay in that. I did tell everybody when we were in this trade, the upside is not over unless the NASDAQ closes below 31, which you'll see here. It came down and wicked out a couple times and never did. So I said you kind of got to leave your stop there. If it closes below, just get out. You can't really trail or anything like that. And if you're in the ES, same thing. We had levels there as well. So again, 2 points at a minimum, 2.5 points at a minimum. It did go 6 there. That was a really nice trade as well. So we did fairly well today. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day. We'll see everybody back tomorrow. Safe trading. Check out our free trials. And we offer a 10-day, no credit card required, and we'd love to have you check out what we do. Bye, trade.